Hello and welcome to Zimstech Media. A man has been sentenced to 2 years in prison for stealing cell phones valued at $15,000 United States from a shop owned by Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's wife, Minota Bobaloi Chiwenga. Succeed Mukaro pleaded guilty to the charges of unlawful entry. During the sentencing, presiding magistrate Mrs. Ethel Chichera initially imposed a 5-year sentence but suspended 2 years on the condition of good behavior. An additional year was set aside contingent upon restitution. The prosecution, represented by Ms. Polite Chikiwa, presented evidence indicating that on May 31 at around 3 p.m., O.C. Shone, the supervisor of the shop in question, secured the property by closing all windows and locking the door before leaving for the day. Later that evening, at approximately 7 p.m., Mukaro executed his plan to break into the shop. He smashed the front glass wall, creating a hole through which he gained entry. For more stories like these, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe.